today we're gonna play chicken gun, guys. So gonna pick what should I pick? Elite squad. Oh wait, okay. Here. Oh. Okay. Please. I cannot. Okay. This already makes me deaf. Because I'm wearing headphones. Oh. Hello there, bat. Hey, bat. Oh, they're. Hey. 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 Don't bite me. Lol. Oh, don't you punch me. Oh. 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 Oh, I cannot. Oh, we didn't even. Oh, you're not change my mind. I will play duels. Wait, Dragon Dude is here? I don't believe that is the real Dragon Dude. Come on. Oh my god, I have a name. Yeah. Oh, I forgot this duel. So I can respawn and I cannot leave. There's Dragon Dude here. I will check the next day if I see Dragon Dude. Dragon Dude. So there's a real Dragon Dude. I will make a video about it. Oh, come on, please. Come on, kill him. Yeah, I'm proud of you. Okay, let's. I'm gonna use my golden AK. Okay, over here. Don't see any chickens. Oh, chicken. Dragon Dude. Oh, that's not Dragon Dude. Come on, kill. Wait, and he's wearing the no German helmet. Yeah, I think so. I should lose laser. Oh, but I refusing. This golden rifle is so amazing. And I love it. And oh, lol. Yo, they dying. Instant win for me. I got 25 coins. Lol. The fighting menu again. Okay. Where should we pick again? I think. Oh man. Okay. Just watch this ad, guys. I don't like it anymore. Wait. Who's that man that is trapped there? I don't know. Okay, let's wait. Right over here, and we see. I'm using the double barrel shotgun because I love shotguns. Prevent pigs to get the bomb. Don't kill them, don't worry. I will do that duty for you. Oh, wait! Mine! Come on, don't kill me. Oh yeah. Wahaha. You will die. Pigs will die. Where are they? There? No! Oh, there you go. Now let me defuse the bomb. I will defuse the bomb because I said so. And I said that pigs will lose. And it's already 4 minutes in this video. And okay. I think this video is gonna be 10 minutes. There was 10 gigabytes left. I did some cleaning. I will do a... Oh yay! Don't mind. Buhaha! Okay, come on, defuse. While I'm defusing it, I will just kill this guy and done. Lol. Come on. If you win this round, we can. Yeah, we defuse the bomb. Chickens are victorious. Now let's go. We found in okay, cannot collect it. I'm gonna get the rocket launcher. Come on. Oh. Yeah, oh. You deserve this. No. Come on. There. Wait, oh. Bombs planted. This is urgent. Where is the bomb? Oh no, we have 30 seconds left. Come on. Nah, no, you cannot camp. No, hahaha. I'm defusing the bomb. We are victorious. Oh, you think? Come on, we're defusing the bomb. Man. Okay. Okay, please. And I lost one. But I still. Oh, that's so many ammo. This. Oh. Pix exploded the bomb.
Mami, ang pangit ni Kuya. Parang si Buracha.
No, you pig. Wait, this is the Graceland kill. Wait, why you have a... Yeah, I don't like this. It's kind of fun, but I'm just gonna leave it. Now we're gonna play cup. Oh, and add again. Come on. I really don't do that. Surface skin. I don't want to select this skin, but I will. Oh. You'll just send me to the realm, the blister realm, and I'm gonna skip that. And there. Come on. Okay, secret keys. Let's go toward the keys. Those chickens. Oh, chickens. Come on. Girl, oh, wait, hacker? Oh, let me join and capture the flag. Fellow hackers. Come on. Okay, good. Wait, but it's the same. Meh. Come on. Yo, who's that? Come on, is that hacker? Okay, good thing we're stealing the chickens. Oh. No! Oh, it's a chicken horde. I must survive the chicken horde. I gotta run. Please protect me. Wait, dragon dude's here. That's not dragon dude. That is not a real dragon dude. Then, come on. Where is then? Oh, no man. But we gotta run. Eh. Okay, run. Okay, here we go. Boom. Yeah, we have taken the enemy keys. And oh, who's that? Who's that chicken? Yo, you down?
Hi!
Hey, chicken. Why did you kill me with the egg? I don't. Oh man. Yeah, you die. Come on. We need to confiscate. Okay, let's. Oh. I don't want to kick someone out. We only need to capture the. Oh, wait, it's right over there. Come on, it's easy. Come on, yeah. We're going that direction. Come on. You ain't Mr. Invincible.
What I doing that?
Bro, you ain't even Mr. Invincible. Like, come on. Wait, let me oh. Of course, Angry Rooster will. Okay, Angry Rooster is really angry. And I will just punch them with the. I'll just punch them. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna punch them. Gonna punch until they're dead. Yeah, oh. Okay. Bruh. And today, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And goodbye, guys.